Thank you very much. I've got time for one more. I'd like to thank you all for coming on behalf of the Teenage Cancer Trust. And your continued support is what makes it work. And on behalf of the kids, I say thanks and all. Thank you very much. I'd also like to say, do I have a drink? I'm going to be fucking drunk in about half an hour, probably like that. Can you please give it up for Future Islands? I'd like to thank them very much. On the bass guitar, all the way from Liverpool, Mr. Russell Pritchard. Now, on the drums, he's been feeling a little poorly today. He's got a sore stomach, he's got a bit of a virus, but he fucking soldiered on. Happy to do it. He's a rock and roll soldier, a one and only Jeremy Stacey. Fucking love that guy. I don't know what he's been through today. He's been through so much. Been through so much. He fucking missed out his third pudding. On the keyboards, the MP for Brighton and Hove, Mr. Mike Rowe. Happy to do it, happy to take it. What a guy. He's happy to accept it, look. Happy to take it. All the way from America, on the guitar, Mr. Tim Smith. Okay, settle down. Would you also give it up for the wonderful crowd check choir? And last but not least, my wonderful brass section, Factotum. This last song is called the Masterplan. You've been amazing. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the summer somewhere. Thank you. very much.